Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set adapt sound for media encode or only media or only codes on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Then go down and tap on sound quality and effects. In here, tap on adapt sound. Now go down and tap on adapt sound 4. By default, it is set to media encodes. If you want to apply adapt sound only for media, then you choose only media. Otherwise, you can choose only codes. Now select one of the options from the pop-up menu. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings. Tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.